Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Got waders on today. We're about to go deep in the creek because we ain't done it in quite a minute. I feel like. Come on, Deuce. Hold up. Hold up, Deuce. Come on. There is bad right now. Y'all watched the video yesterday, y'all see what I'm talking about, how bad over there is. It's muddy. The creek ought to be down a little bit. It looks down. You can see more sand up there, so yeah, it probably is down. And you can almost see right there. This is about the height it was the first time I ever went through it, I think, or tried to cross it. The first time I built up the courage. Yeah, this is how deep it was. It was like about like this, and the first time I ever crossed it. Yeah, it's shallow over here again too, especially right back there. It'll probably just be about racks deep here. Yeah, it's definitely lower because you can see a lot more of land over here than you could before. Yeah, and it ain't quite even, it's not even over the racks or just touching the water and they're not submerged. We're bogged down on something. Not no more. There's sand all over my dash. hopefully we'll get the sand off the dash. Since it's got lower everywhere, maybe we can back in further today. I hope so. I want to see how far I can get it back up. Oh dang, we're actually way farther back than we've been able to get, because normally the tree is like barely in front of us and it's handlebars deep, and it hasn't got handlebars deep yet and we're this far back, so it definitely has gotten shallower and we can go farther back. I'm gonna work it side to side. If it gets a little bit more shallow, we can probably get all the way back up on the real shallow part right there by the bridge where it gets higher and it's not just a drop off like this. Listen to it idling. We're gonna record something for my Snapchat because I ain't posted on it in a while. And y'all know me. I wanna say it's done got shallow because it has. No, that ain't the right emoji. I don't know. I just put this thing got shallow. Alright, by the time I get home, it should actually post on my story. If it doesn't, that's sad. Because I got Verizon, so it's always really slow. So Verizon, y'all need to fix my service or I'm going to swap to AT&T, no joke. Because all my friends that have AT&T, they can load videos, Snapchats, and all types of stuff everywhere. No matter how low their service bar is. On Verizon, I can have 4 bars and not be able to load nothing. I'm gonna wipe off some of this mud. Yeah, see, it's barely at barely above the floorboards right here. But they ain't stopping all the horsepower from this thing letting it water wheelie. Jokes on people that say Hondas can't water wheelie in shallow water. They don't have the power to just wheelie. Mine does, buddy. It feels really shallow right here, but it's only at my knee. I was really trying not to have to reverse, but it'll be alright. I think we're just going to spend most of this video in the creek because that's some of the most fun I ever had. I love the water ride. This right here got kind of thick too, because lately spinning the tires and under reconning this a lot. Come on, Deuce. Hey, oh, he's peeing. Pee break. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm gonna give him his privacy. Come on, let up. Hey, let up. We ain't got time for that, man. Let up, let up. Hey, Deuce, let up. Let up. Come on, pal. Sticker got messed up. I guess I'll take it off. I'll scrub the rest of this off real quick after this video. But yeah, y'all, peace out. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, I'll see y'all in the next. Leave a like and sub. To everyone that ordered merch, I'm getting it made. All of y'all is made Monday, and the goal is to have them shipped out by Saturday of next week. So yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video.